Villagers in Tandawani, Ward 7 of Masendu in Plumtree, Matabeleland South, were left shaken after discovering a live hand grenade buried beneath the soil, a relic believed to date back to Zimbabwe's Liberation War era. Sanapenda mashoko unokonzi a live grenade loonekwa ku Plumtree zvavhundutsa ma villagers notable subscriber wolaika wati on the bell yakoti muna mumbe kwa mchinzi. The potentially deadly device was unearthed last Thursday after heavy rains eroded the ground, exposing the rusted explosive in a local homestead. Alert community members wisely refrained from touching the grenade and immediately alerted authorities. "We think it had been buried there for decades," said one villager. "Luckily, no one was injured. Soldiers came the same day and neutralized the grenade. We were relieved." The Zimbabwe National Army ZVAITWA responded, swiftly dispatching a bomb disposal unit that safely detonated the ordnance. Zimbabwe Republic Police spokesperson for Matabeleland South Province, Assistant Inspector Stanford Mugoni, confirmed the incident. "We are still conducting investigations into the matter," he said. The grenade was discovered on 12 May 2025 and was safely destroyed by the Zimbabwe National Army on 15 May 2025. This is not the first time an exploded ordnance (UXO) has been discovered in Zimbabwe's rural areas. Landmines, grenades, and other remnants of war continue to pose a threat to communities, particularly in provinces such as Mashonaland Central, Mashonaland East, Manicaland, and Matabeleland South, where heavy fighting occurred during the 1970 liberation struggle. Despite the progress, UXO remains a persistent danger, particularly in rural areas where children and farmers often stumble upon these forgotten weapons. Authorities have urged citizens to report any suspicious metal objects and avoid attempting to move or tamper with them. Tomashukana anobuda panguva inoi. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Avhina comment section medu. Sono subscribe or like. Turn on the bell icon.